Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make baked potatoes 2 ways. And it's super simple, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we?
To begin with, you want to start by washing your taters in lukewarm or hot water. Whatever you can handle, you want to take off any kind of dirt or impurities that may be on the taters. Now dry them off as best you can and take a regular old fork and poke holes in them all around the taters. Add in some olive oil and some flake salt and massage it onto the taters, making it coated really well and having a nice crust on the outside of the taters. Now the first one we're going to wrap in aluminum foil very tightly, and the other one we're just going to leave bare. Go ahead and place it in a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit for up to an hour and 20 minutes. Check on your taters regularly. As you can see, the first one has a nice crisp outer layer and is fluffy and dry on the inside and will absorb more butter and all your toppings. The next one, as you can see, is more moist and kind of like a steamed tater, and that's really up to you which one you like best. That's why I gave you two options. This one holds the butter, but as you can see as it melts throughout the video, that it is going onto the plate, other than like the dry tater there that is sucking up all the butter. Next, you can also add in all of your toppings such as butter and sour cream, salt and pepper. I also added bacon bits, some cheese and chives to my taters. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, check out my Instagram and my TikTok where you can find more recipes. I hope you have a great day and enjoy yourself a big old bite of taters. And if you don't mind, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a comment below telling me which one would be your favorite. One that is wrapped or one that isn't wrapped. And I hope you have a great day now. Bye!